apart ng konti-konti para makalog-log yung ano natin. Konting ano talaga.
We are now preparing to officially open the Heritage pop-up here as SM Mall of Asia. We welcome the photographers, media friends to take the official photo before the ribbon cutting. Mga fans ni Kim Chiu, I'd like to hear you shout for her name. Are we all ready for the official ribbon cutting? I'll count in 3, 2, 1, okay? Okay, sabay-sabay tayo with our official photographers, media press. Ready your camera? In 3, 2, 1! Congratulations to the Hairfix Hair Glazing Pop-Up that is now officially open here at SM Mall of Asia. Another photo op with the team. Thank you so much. Miss Regine, would you like to have a photo with Miss Sin here? And the Watson's team? Yes, calling the Watson's team for the photo op with Miss Kim Chu. Thank you so much to the whole Watson's team. And nice to see you this morning, blooming in red. Ang ganda mo as thank you so much. Somewhere. Okay, Mike, somewhere, please come back. It's okay, share tayo ng mic for now. So Kim, today we are here at the official pop-up of Hairfix. Here I would like to share to you the area that you would like to check out. We've got the hair styling session. This is the new product area, the hair treatment area, the styling area, and of course the hair color station. And of course, to know more about Hairfix, I would like to call on a very wonderful celebrity hairstylist to help share to us how to use his favorite Hairfix products. Let's all welcome celebrity hairstylist Renz Pangilinan.
Hi everyone. Hi Kim, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Yeah, long time no see, grabe.
So may question ako sa'yo.
What is it? Sana masagot ko, no?
Oo. Ano ang favorite mo na hairstyle?
My favorite hairstyle, I love long hair talaga. Kaya very rare nyo lang talaga ako makikita ng short hair. And I love curling my hair.
Ah.
Kasi feeling ko talaga nakaka-pretty talaga kapag curling hair ka.
Actually, parang trademark mo nga talaga yung laging curly.
Super, I love.
Yung parang hindi ikaw yun pag hindi curly yung hair.
I know. Parang hindi talaga. Pero, syempre, nasa showbiz world tayo. We have to, like, i-reinvent yourself,
Yeah.
iba-ibang hairstyles.
Yes. And then meron tayong tinatawag na artista curl.
Yes.
Yes, di ba?
Yes. Can you explain to them?
So your artista curl is very defined curl. So can you take a seat?
What type?
Yeah. So your artista curls is very defined curls and then also very voluminous and shiny. And then one secret that I do, which I use is here, actually, the Power Curls Defining Spray. So this is a 3-in-1 curl to fix your hair. Voluminous, shiny, and then also, nag-hold yung curls mo after the gawin. For sure, ginamit ito ni Kim kanina.
Of course, yung leave on, and also this one, the
Yes.
spray.
So this one, I would recommend for you to use before you blow dry your hair. So, kunyari, pagka-shower mo, even pag ikaw gumagawin sa your hair,
Yes,
diba?
no?
So, pagka-shower mo, damp hair, you spray this all over your hair, and then you blow dry and then you curl it. Ang magic nito is, hindi mo kailangan masyado mag-hairspray. Lalo na sa mga girls, hindi natin masyadong gusto yung super dami, super tigas na hairspray, diba? And then also, this makes your hair really shiny. And then mag-hold talaga yung curls mo buong araw. Also, ano to, this is perfect sa mga curly na girls natin like these. Hi. Oo. We have a full line of power curls which is perfect for you guys. So, kunyari na lang, I would spray. Actually, perfect na yung hair ni Kim. Pero, kunyari galing siyang shower, kunyari naligo siya.
Friends, I believe, how does the texture feel? Kim or Rez, how does it feel? Is it sticky ba? Kasi yun yung ayaw natin sa Pilipinas.
Actually, hindi siya malagkit. It just behave. Ano na ngayong summer, it's init. That's why I recommend it after you shower to make it dry.
Kim, I've been seeing you sa mga segment mo. Hindi ko makilala eh. Nakulot yung hair mo. Nag-stay ba siya all day? Yes, one thing I love about Hair Fix is hindi lang pang styling yung mga products niya. Meron din siya mga treatment products for the hair and for the scalp as well. So, nothing Hair Fix can't fix.
Ayun lang, nothing hair fix can fix. By the way, ako naman bilang human being, kasi ikaw, Josa ka, bilang human being, what I dislike about curly hair, and I'm sure a lot of us can relate, is that curly ang ganda, pero yung scalp area medyo flat. So, Reds, meron bang sikreto dyan?
Actually, may bago akong favorite na product dyan for all the girls na flat hair. I know a lot of Filipinos, usually ang problem nila is flat yung hair dito sa ibabaw. Even skin, gusto niya yung ma-volume yung hair. And then also, hindi malagkit. And then we will reveal this today.
Oh my gosh, I love this product. Like super. Lalo na mine. Lalo na flat yung hair ko.
And Reds on the other side, ito na, ang official unveiling of the newest product from Hairfix. Sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1, go! This is the newest Hairfix Solution Miracle Volume Powder Fixer. Kim, nagamit mo na ba to?
Yes, super. Nakailang beses ko kung gumagamit nito. And I really love kung paano siya nagda-dry sa scalp. Kasi marami talagang Pinoy na, kasi siguro sa weather dito sa atin, na warm talaga. So mabilis mag-oily yung scalp natin. So nagpo-flat yung hair. So this one, para siyang powder-ish na parang, ayan, na i-volume niya talaga yung buhok mo and tatanggalin niya talaga ang oil sa hair mo.
Kim, of course, yung hair mo, like Ren said, perfect na. So I would like to call on 2 guests that we would like to do demo para makita nyo ang power of volumizing. Can I call on our 2 guests that would be doing the honors? Ayan, Kyle. Kyle is our content influencer. Kim, that's Kyle, Kim. Oo nga, pero i-volume pa natin yan. Tingnan po natin ngayon, how do we properly volume the hair of Kyle? Go, Ren.
So with the Miracle volume, all you have to do is twist yung top, twist yung nozzle like this. Yeah. Super easy. And then you just have to pump it. Yeah, talaga to. So even for men, maganda to kasi gusto natin yung volume, di ba? And then may hold. Tapos ayaw natin yung parang waxy na feel. So this is the perfect product for you guys. So ganito.
Okay, so we're now watching the live demo.
Diba, mabilis siya umangat. Instant effect.
Actually, angat na siya kanina. May aangat pa pala.
Akala ko wala na. Diba, akala ko wala na hanggang doon. Umangat na siya. Ang taas na ng tingin namin sa'yo.
About second floor na tayo, Miss Kim.
Yes.
Ayan, so I use this like before and then after, pwede din ako mag-spray after to keep it in
So I can see that it's powder form. So how is it different, do you think, with the regular powder? Like, kung mag-powder na, gamitin ko yung powder ng baby ko. Pwede ba yun?
Hindi. Kasi hindi yung hair ko. So anyway, this is like to make your hair add more volume. So ang maganda kasi dito, it's dry. So para kasi yung lumalaban siya dun sa oil, so help
And
natin.
also sa sweat din.
Yes, actually, oo. Saka hindi tumatagal siya hanggang bukas. Feel ko.
Thank you so much, Kyle.
Hindi ka naman.
Gusto niyo ng photo op or what for Kyle? Then I would like to call on our next model for girl naman. Thank you so much, Kyle, for that. Next, I would like to call on another content creator with Bongham hair color, Hazel. Yes, Hazel, tell me about your hair.
20 years? Oh my God, hindi pa uso yung mga color. Yes, kahit ikaw na lang gumawa sa bahay, di ba? Super!
Kung 20 years na yun, so fun. So ang problem din also with bleach hair, like me, dito 20 years. So ang problem namin yung flat siya. And then also walang hold. Di ba? Dito flat, dito o dito. So perfect in miracle volume. For
Kung may sectioning magaganap.
yeah, basically na scalp mo sa lalagay. Tapos, kamayin mo lang sa then you go feel yung parang merong texture in here. Magkaka-volume sa ganun.
Wow, instant! Wala nang peace! Hindi na kasi sa hair mo.
Ayaw din mo na yung kiss, di ba? Ayaw mo na yung
Ayaw ko nang pinipis ng hair ko kasi nasisira. So, ito na yung sagot sa ayaw magpatis ng hair.
So you can touch your hair right now. Gusto ko malaman ang yung feel. May
Malakyan ba? Walang lagkit. Pero may volume na. I love it. Naririnig mo na ba siya? Char, volume. Nakakainis, no? Aga. Ay, wow! Amazing!
Kaya, di ba? Meron ka din sa result agad pa. You don't even have to wait. You want it.
Kaya siya tinawag ng miracle volume.
Yes, that's
Instant effect, diba?
So photo op muna with our volumized hair. Hazel, thank you for being our model for today. Palakpakan po natin mga guests natin. Friends, I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Any final tips that you would like to share to the audience?
Final tips is to always take care of your hair like your skin. Like ko tip yun to everyone. So it starts from when you shower, shampoo, conditioner, treatment, and then pati yung mga